Hello. It's been a while since I've done any videos, but I thought I would share this one because this is kind of precarious, and I like to share my precarious adventures. So, as you can see behind me, I have a boot building that took a toll August 10th during the windstorm, and it's all flipped over, so it's almost impossible for me to disassemble. So I'm going to try to pull it back a little bit and see what I can do from there. So there you can see the base, or what's left of the base. And if you follow it up, it just kind of all flips up over here. I actually threw a chain to an existing cable that's up here. Hopefully that cable will hold. And then the chain is going down, attached to a winch so I can stand away from it. And then here's the winch. Good thing I have a remote. Here it goes. I got the remote. Let's see how it goes. Well, it's pulling the tractor back, so I think I need a little bit more weight. Okay, I have a little bit more weight. Let's give this a shot. Something ripped here, so I'm going to try to grab onto that piece over there, and hopefully it'll come up and out. We'll see how that works. And here we go again. Hopefully that'll pull it up a little bit and get it off that fence. It's a lot of weight there. That's it for the winch. The winch has no more oomph. I feel like I need to be pulling up more than over, but I grabbed a piece closer to the edge, so maybe it won't be as far off versus the leverage, but I don't know. We'll try it. I think my battery might be a little bit low on that thing. It's pulling, it's struggling though. That winch is a 2,500 pound winch. Gonna do it in pulses, so maybe it relaxes a bit. It is doing it. I'm gonna stop and reevaluate. Would help a little bit. little bit higher this time. We'll give it another shot. Well, the winch isn't working. It's getting bound up, and I think I'm stretching it to its limits. But I'm making a little bit of progress with the chain. It's not as folded back as it once was. I think pulling it a little bit, re-hooking up the chain, pulling it a little bit more, might get it so I can start disassembling some of that mess. Taking a break because it's kind of windy. I am making progress. It was folded all the way over. Once I get it down, I'll be able to disassemble it. Meanwhile, I'm trying to wrap up the cable in my winch that failed or didn't have enough power. And when you wind it back up, it needs to be wound under pressure. So I want to show you what I'm doing. I tied one end to a fence post. My legs to the winch. And away we go. Well, it's not real pretty, but at least I got it unfolded from being up over the top. And I don't know, it might hold off or hold up until I get something to replace it. Have a good one.